Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are enjoying good health. Today we are going to do our next page number 97. Students, on page 97 here we have multiplication, threes. Students, do you remember about multiplication? Let me remind you. When you take one number and add it together a number of times, you can also define it as the meaning that you have a certain number of groups of the same size. Then it can be solved by repeating addition. Students, do you remember Bobo the bunny? This one Bobo helps us to do addition to count forward. Then to do subtraction to count backward. Then Bobo helped us to do multiplication of twos. Now Bobo the bunny is jumping in threes. We have question number 1 and the question is count in threes and write the missing numbers. Here we are going to do counting in threes. To do counting in threes, we will skip the two numbers and jump for the third one. Students, here we have a number line. To solve these missing numbers, we will use this number line. Here we have point A and point A. Our first number is 0. Here we have the number 0. And here we are going to find out our second number. When Bobo jumped from 0 and skipped two numbers, he reached at the 3. So our first number is 3. We are going to write 3 in the box. We got our first number is 3. Then Bobo again jumped over the number to forward. He skipped two numbers and reached at the next one. And here we have the number 6. And 6 is already written here. Then we are going to find out our next number. For this, Bobo again jumped over the numbers to forward. He skipped two numbers and reached at the number 9. So write 9 in the box. Here we have the number 9. Again Bobo jumped over the numbers, skipped two numbers and reached at the number 12. And number 12 is already written here. Then we are going to find out our next number. Bobo jumped over the numbers. He skipped two numbers and reached at the number 15. Here we are going to write number 15. Write 1, 5, 15 in the box. Here we got the number 15. Then again Bobo jumped over the numbers, skipped two numbers and reached at the number 18. And 18 is already written here. We complete our point A. Now go for the next one. Here we have point B. At point B, our first number is 3. And we are going to find out our second number. Students, here we have the number 3. When Bobo jumped over the numbers, skipped two numbers and he reached at the number 6. Write 6 in the box. Then from number 6, Bobo jumped over the number to forward, skipped two number and he reached at the number 9. And 9 is already written here. Then we are going to find out our next number. For this, Bobo jumped over the numbers, skipped two numbers and he reached at the number 12. Write 12 in the box. 1, 2, 12. Then Bobo again jumped over the numbers. He skipped two numbers and reached at the number 15. And 15 is already written here. Now go for the next one and find out the next number. Bobo again jumped over the numbers, skipped two numbers and reached at the number 18. Write 18 in the box. 1, 8, 18. Then from the number 18, Bobo again jumped over the numbers, skipped two numbers and reached at the number 21. And 21 is already written here. We complete our point B. Now go for the next one. Here we have point C. At point C, our first number is 12. We are going to count towards 12 and find out our second number. 12, 13, 14 and 15. When we count towards 12 and count in threes, we skip these two numbers and reach at the number 15. Write 1, 5, 15 in the box. We reach at the number 15. After the number 15, we skip two numbers 16 and 17. Then we reach at the number 18. We are going to find out our next number. For this, we will count towards 18, skip two numbers and reach at the next one. 18, 19, 20, 21. Students, when we skip these two numbers, we have the number 21. Write 21, 21 in the box. After 21, when we skip two numbers 22 and 23, we reach at the number 24. So, we are going to find out our next number. For this, we will count towards 24, skip two numbers and reach at the third one. 24, 25, 26, 27. Students, when we skip these two numbers, we have the number 27. Write 27, 27 in the box. After 27, we skip the number 28 and 29. Here we have the number 30. We complete our point C. Now go for the next one. Here we have point D. At point D, here we have our first number is 9. We are going to skip two numbers and reach at the third one. 9, 10, 11, 12. Students, when we skip these two numbers, we have the number 12. Write 12 in the box. 1, 2, 12. After 12, we will count towards and skip two numbers and reach at the third one. 12, 13, 14, 15. Students, when we skip these two numbers, we have the number 15. Write 1, 5, 15 in the box. After 15, when we skip two numbers 16 and 17, here we have the number 18. And 18 is already written here. Students, we are going to count towards 18, skip two numbers and reach at the third one. 18, 19, 20, 21. When we skip these two numbers, here we have the number 21. Write 21, 21 in the box. Now, count towards and skip two numbers, reach the third one. 21, 22, 23, 24. Students, when we skip these two numbers, we reach at the number 24. Write 24, 24 in the box. Here we have the number 24. Now count towards 24, skip two numbers and reach at the third one. 24, 25, 26, 27. Students, when we skip these two numbers, we have the number 27. Write 27, 27 in the box. We complete our point D. Now go for the next one. Here we have question number 2. Count in threes. Color the squares in blue. Students, here we have the counting from 1 to 100. We are going to do count in threes and blue color in it. We are going to start from the number 1. We skip two numbers and mark the third one for blue coloring. 1, 2. Mark this one. Go for the next one. Here we have 1, 2. We are going to skip these two numbers and mark the third number. We are going to skip next two numbers 1, 2 and mark the third one. We are going to skip two numbers 1, 2 and mark the third. Skip two numbers and mark the third. 1, 2. Mark this one. 1, 2. Mark it to do coloring. 1, 2. Mark this one for doing color. 1, 2. Mark it. 1, 2. Mark this one. 1, 2. Mark it. 1, 2. Mark this one. 1, 2. Mark it. 1, 2. Mark it. Students, we are going to mark these all boxes for blue color in it. 1, 2, mark this number. 1, 2, mark this one. 1, 2, mark this one. 1, 2, mark it. 1, 2, mark this one. 1, 2, mark this one. 1, 2, mark the third number. 1, 2, mark this one. 1, 2, mark it. 1, 2, mark this one. 1, 2, mark the third number. 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 1, 2, mark it. 1, 2, mark the third number. 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 Here we have just one number, so we are going to skip this. Let's see which number we marked with the color blue. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78 and 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96 and 99. When we do counts in 3, we have these numbers. Now we are going to do colors in it, and we will do blue color. Start coloring and do it in neat way. Students, we complete our coloring and we complete our 2 days work. You have to do it in neat way. Stay at your home, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.